Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle or the awkward gaps? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit promises a flawless fit right in your factory dash location. Designed specifically for double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 and 13/16 by 6 and 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm. This kit blends perfectly with your vehicle's interior. No more worrying about mismatched colors or bulky installation panels that stand out. Scosche matches both the color and texture of your factory dash for a seamless look. I recently installed this kit in my 2013 Ford Focus, and the difference was immediate. The installation was straightforward, no special tools needed, and the included step-by-step instructions made the process smooth from start to finish. Unlike other brands I've tried, this dash kit didn't feel cheap or flimsy. It fit snugly around my new stereo and integrated well with the existing dash components. There's a small plastic trim piece meant to fit around the factory 4-sync screen that didn't snap in perfectly, but honestly, it didn't affect the overall look or function, so it wasn't a deal-breaker for me. Plus, it's more affordable than other popular options like Metra, which adds even more value. What truly sets Scosche apart is their commitment to quality and support. With 40 years of experience crafting car stereo accessories, they stand behind their products with a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. That means if you ever run into questions or issues, their knowledgeable team is just a call away, for as long as you own the product. If you want a reliable, factory-quality dash kit that's easy to install and backed by solid support, this is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to give your car stereo upgrade the professional finish it deserves.